What's up YouTube? This is the Nike Air Jordan 14 Light Ginger, released in 2022. There's the shoe. Jordan 14s are very uncommon. It's one of the most uncommon Jordans. In fact, it's the first Jordan that came out that is pretty uncommon. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s, 11s, 12s, 13s. They're all more common than the 14. It's actually when the 14 came out that I feel like the number Jordans got slightly less common. Or when I say common, I mean like universally loved and worn a lot, maybe. Like, you won't find Jordan 14s on feet every day. 15s for sure, no. 16s, 17s, 18s, 19s, 20s, all the other Jordans, like, when you leave the house, you're not likely to see them. But I kind of like some of the Jordans that have come out after the 14s, so I'm not one of the people that doesn't like them. But if you're looking for a pair of these yourself, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. You should be able to find yourself a pair for a reasonable deal. As usual, we're going to throw them on foot here. You can let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. It's a nice colorway, yellow, white, black. Can't really go wrong. Especially with a pair of black joggers like this. A lot of Jordans are very wearable until you get to like the 15s, 16s, 17s, and 18s. Those are kind of a little strange and flashy, but I still like them a lot. These feel pretty comfortable. They're quite nice. As I always say, if you're looking for a nice pair of pants or jeans, check out the Amazon links in the description. They're affiliate marketing links, so they do help out the channel a little bit. Thanks for watching. I'm going to take these off now. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Goodbye.